Hey there, everybody. Thomas with the Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, July 15th, and today we're going to talk a little bit about watching for gap fills. So, one thing that does not happen very often with futures, however, it's something we definitely want to pay attention to, is gaps. And typically you're going to get a gap Sunday night, but sometimes, for example, last night, we got a gap in the S&P during that period of time between 5:15 and 6 when the market is closed. So with futures, one of the things I watch for a lot of times when we do gap is for a gap fill, because more so than stocks, in my opinion, you'll see gap fills happen the same day that it occurs. Or in the case of natural gas, which is a market that gaps a lot on Sunday nights, you'll see the gap fill before the end of the week a lot of times with that market. So why is this important? Well, when you look at, for example, the S&P here, you can see we gapped up last night at the 6 o'clock open. It spiked higher, and then we came all the way back down. And we went right back to the previous high and filled that gap, not to the close, but to the previous high that we gapped above. So you can see right there it occurred, and then you can see the same thing happened right over here a couple days ago when we gapped up during that 6 o'clock close, came right back down to the tick, almost filled the gap to the previous high, and then went right back up and resumed the up move once more. So keep an eye out when you do see gaps, because they are noteworthy and you can use them as targets. Like I mentioned before, one market that does this a lot is natural gas. Nat gas does a really good job of gapping on Sunday nights, and you'll oftentimes see it go back and fill that gap before the end of the week. So keep an eye out when you're trading natural gas for those gaps and watch for potential gap fills each day. But that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe here on YouTube. And until next time, everyone, happy trading.